Hello class. Today we're going to be talking about solving discounts and markups. So problem number 1, the sales tax is 8%. How much tax did Bob pay for a sweatshirt that cost $30? So our first task is going to be to find how much 8% of 30 is. So we need to take 0.08 times 30. And when we do that, we should be getting 2.4. We're talking about money. So you need to add a 0. So you have $2.40. Now ask yourself, is that the total or is that the tax? And if you said tax, you are correct. So, and they are asking just for the tax. So do we need to move on? No, there is our answer. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Problem number 2, the cost of Sally's haircut was $20. If she wants to tip the hairdresser a 10% tip, how much would the bill be? So we need to find out what is 10% of 20. So if I move the decimal point over 2 times, I'm going to have 0.10 times 20, which is going to give me $2. Oops. 1 second. So are they asking me just for the tip, or are they asking for me for the total this time? This time they're asking me for the total, so I have to do 20 plus $2, which would give me $22. There's your answer. Last but not least, if, let's say, a life jacket was $60, an expensive life jacket was $60, and you had a coupon for 20% off, how much would it be? So you need to take 0.20 times 60, which would give you 12. So you have a coupon for $12 off. Since this is a discount, you have to subtract. So you're going to take 60 minus 12, and you should get $48. There you go. Goodbye. Have a good day.